Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be tightening our chain on a Suzuki DRZ 125L. It's pretty easy. Really need only one tool, and that's a socket wrench. This is like the trail side way of doing it. Keep this in my pocket at all times while riding. Okay, now loosen that. Chain feels pretty tight, that's weird. Because it just came off and it was loose. So that means that my bolt is bent. This is not right. So I gotta fix this all right here real quick. Gotta order a new bolt. I have a new tire in the shed. Trying to strip out from doing this. It's not a good way of doing it. Alright, I pulled that somewhat backwards. Get this side a little bit. Alright, should be able to have 3 fingers at least. I can fit almost 3. It's pretty good. It's tight enough for me. I'm gonna go back, tighten this out, pop some wheelies. Okay, that's how you tighten your chain on your Suzuki DRZ 125L.